Project Hire-Ed is a workforce development initiative whereby we expand our partnerships with employers in the community to help them try to address the challenges they've had in finding talent, basically, with the skills that they need for their various jobs. At the same time, helping our students connect with these employers, learn the skills they need, and land jobs, bottom line. From the students' perspective, this is a great opportunity for them to not only learn skills in an area that they want to pursue from a career standpoint, but also have a job, and have a job immediately. Once they're accepted as an apprentice in the program, and by the way, they're accepted once the employer offers them the job, they get paid a salary and benefits while they're working, and at the same time, they're taking classes that complement the on-the-job training. And they're being paid while they're working and learning those skills, and they're actually being paid while they're in class as well. So they incur zero debt because the employer pays the cost of the education, and they're being paid a living wage and benefits while they're going through the program.
You're working in a skilled workforce environment that's challenging you daily. And that in and itself is exciting. On top of that, you're getting hired by this organization at the front, not when you graduate college, at the front end of college, and you're working your way through college and gaining experience at the same exact time, and you're creating yourself a career. Whether or not you choose to stay with that the rest of your life, it starts propelling you towards what we like to call success. And that's what's needed in our community and for our workforce.
I would definitely recommend this program. I've been to the traditional college route, and what this program offers is no debt, and the exposure that you get from so many hours of training, both inside and outside the classroom, are fantastic.
For being the first time for not only my employer, Mauser, but at the same time, it's a new program at the College of DuPage. It's been fantastic. I mean, the transition, I'm not a kid, and I understand that things take a little time for transition, but it's been almost seamless. I've had no issues. Anytime I have a question, people follow up with me at the school and with work, and I cannot recommend it anymore.
This is a great opportunity for them to come to college, get involved in a career, learn skills, establish a career path with an employer, and who knows where they could go from there. In 5 years, we hope that Project Hire-Ed is a reliable, successful path for our students and a proven source of talent for employers in DuPage County.